What if you could understand entire landscapes without ever being on the ground? For industries like infrastructure, agriculture, and defense, visibility has always been a challenge. Aerial intelligence changes that. It combines drones, sensors, and data systems to capture and analyze information from above. From high-resolution imaging to real-time mapping, it turns aerial visuals into actionable insights. Across industries, aerial intelligence is already transforming how operations are managed. As operations scale, the need for faster, safer, and more accurate data becomes critical. Aerial intelligence enables organizations to make better decisions based on real-time, high-quality insights. This is not just about drones. It's about transforming how industries see, analyze, and act. Welcome to the future of aerial intelligence.